Hello my friends, so today we will talk about the last feature in C# 14, which is Nameof with Unbound Generic Types. Let's go to the Visual Studio to see it together. So first of all, the Nameof operator previously could only be used with generic types when all type arguments were specified. This meant you couldn't get the name of a generic type definition itself without providing type arguments, even when you didn't care about the specific type. In C# 14, allows Nameof to work with unbound generic types using the angle brackets syntax, making it possible to get the name of generic type definitions without needing to specify the type arguments. What does that mean? We will see it together with example. I already prepared an example, and I will show you. I will just put it and I will explain together. We'll explain together. So here, first of all, we have multiple types or multiple generic types. So here we have the list with this dictionary, and also I have a class, generic class also with two types, T and U. The thing is here, you don't need now in the C# 14, you don't need to specify the type for it, just to print the generic type here. So in this case, if I print it here now in the console, what we will see now, the result, it will be like that. The registering, it will be list, only the list without the type. Okay, without the type, because here we don't have a type. Okay, so it will return only the list, the generic type. So the list dictionary, the same thing for the class generic type, my generic. So how it was, this work in C# 13 and earlier versions of C#. So if I return back to the C# 13 here, this will throw exception and it won't work. Why? Because this feature is available only in C# 14 and or greater versions. Okay, so we have now right now C# 15, but it's not stable like C# 14. The C# 14, it's the latest stable version of C#. Stable versions, C# versions. I think at November, the C# 15, it will be C# 15 plus the dotnet 11. They will be available with a stable method. So here, how to fix that in C# 13? You have to specify that type. So for example, if I put here string, for example, as a type, this will fix the issue of the list. The same thing here, if I put string in the dictionary, with the key and the value is a string, and the same thing here, for example, integer string. This will fix the issue, and if we run the project, it will give us the same result exactly. List, dictionary, generic. This will give me only the generic without the types. Okay, it will not give me the list string. It will give me only this list, dictionary, the same thing here, my generic. Even if because you put the type, but you are not, it's not important for you here as a result. But in C# 13 and all versions of C#, you have, to use it. But in C# 14 and greater versions of C#, you don't need it. If you come back to the current version, stable version of C#, you can use the Nameof without specify the types. Okay, so now it's working fine. C# 14 and dotnet 10 are pushing development forward. Now it's your turn to use them. Thanks for watching, and I hope these videos to be helpful and useful for you. But please subscribe with my channel and turn on notifications to receive all the videos that I will share with you later. Salam.